Picture this. A company posts a healthy quarter, profit up, revenue up, and investors panic sold anyway. That's Accenture this week. $16 billion gone in one day. So, what actually scared everyone this badly? Stick with us. The real answer hits closer to home than you think. Accenture's profit actually beat expectations. Revenue grew 6%, and the stock still dropped 18%. Worst single day since 2016. And investors had one fear. If AI is hurting Accenture's business, it's coming for Infosys and TCS too. By the next morning, that fear hit Indian markets. Infosys hit a 5-year low. TCS came close to a 6-year low. Basically, every major IT stock in India had a rough Friday. Funny how a healthy quarter can still feel like a gut punch, right? Naturally, everyone jumped to one explanation. AI is finally coming for IT jobs. Maybe, let's actually check. Turns out, the clearest clue showed up just days earlier. Satya Nadella, Microsoft's own CEO, wrote something interesting. He warned in his own words, AI could hollow out entire industries. In plain words, the company's name stays the same, but the real work and the real value move to AI. Think of a building with the lights still on, but nobody left inside. Here's what that looks like in practice. Companies like Accenture don't really sell software, they sell people. Engineers who fix problems and answer the 2 a.m. page. That is the product they are selling. So here's the exact job Amazon's tool called the AWS DevOps Agent now does. It watches your systems all night, digs through logs and code, and finds exactly what broke and why. That detective work used to take one engineer hours. Now, a human just approves the fix instead of hunting for it. One engineer can sign off on work that used to need a whole team. Picture this. Western Governors University, a school with over 190,000 students, tried this during a real outage. Normally, finding the cause takes about 2 hours. With the AI, it took 28 minutes. It traced the failure to one setting buried inside a cloud function nobody had documented. Microsoft's running something almost identical called the Azure SRE Agent inside their own teams too. So, is AI really why the stock crashed? Honestly, not entirely. Accenture also blamed the Iran conflict for part of the hit, and Morgan Stanley downgraded the stock this same week too. Even their own analysts aren't fully buying the comeback story. So some of this is AI, and some of it is just companies being careful with money. But here's the number that should actually worry you. Stanford's own AI index tracked real payroll data across millions of workers. Engineers aged 22 to 25, their jobs are down almost 20% since 2024. Engineers over 30 still growing. So AI isn't replacing engineers. It's replacing the first job, the one you use to become an engineer. That 2 a.m. detective work we just talked about, that was the entry-level job. Sorry freshers, that's the seat it's eyeing first. In India, that's the fresher job getting harder to land, not the senior one. So that $16 billion crash, it was never really about one earnings call. It was the market betting on exactly this shift. If you're early in your DevOps career, this is your heads up. The safest work right now is judgment on problems nobody's seen before. System design, reviewing what the AI gets wrong, knowing which alert actually matters. That kind of judgment isn't going anywhere. We'll keep tracking which tools are actually doing this, not just announcing it. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of it.